we have this following students, and we want to randomly group them into 3 groups. Instead of putting them one after the other in a group, we're going to automate the process. I'll just type in my formula. I'll put equal WRAPROWS, then I'll put my SORTBY, then I'll select my student range, comma, then I'll show the sort order. Random selection, RANDARRAY, then counta, then I'll select again my student range. That's D3 to D24, then I'll close my brackets. I've closed the 3 brackets I opened, then I'll now select counta again, then I'll select my group size. So I want to group them into this. Close my bracket, comma, parenthesis, press enter. We can see it has evenly grouped them, and if I want to change the student in a group, I'll just press F9. You can see that it's changing. I have Emeka Dyke in group 1, press F9, whereas Emeka Dyke again. He's in group 3. Damilola Ojo, he's in group 1. If I press F9 again, Damilola Ojo is in group 2. So that's how to randomly change and assign students into group. That's that for today.